So I've decided to go through and talk a little bit about my garden because it's been about a month since I've been out here. And here's what I got to show you. Here's my kale. We've got Russian kale and curly kale, and it's all coming up real good with the exception of some of the little slugs that get in there. Then we've got more little slugs attacking stuff. Oh no, it's not. Cool. We've got a lot of peppers. I've got jalapenos in here, some poblanos, some little poblanos popping. And these guys over here are my favorite. These little pepperoncinis. These things are the best. So, and then we've got these beauties, some eggplants. I got this whole bed dedicated to eggplants. And we've got some peas, which didn't do very well. I had a lot more of them in here, and they're mostly get wiped out because these slugs in here have taken over. And these guys are bush beans. And as you can tell, the slugs have been in them. I haven't got out to get a chance to get the slug bait or the snail repellent that I need. Another issue for tomorrow. Then we've got okra. We've got more red hot chili peppers when they change over. More red hot chili peppers. Some oregano and some weeds, which make short work of that. More curly kale. And over here, the bomberist, we've got a couple small jalapeno pepper plants in the front and over here on the side, which they're still surviving. I don't know how well they're gonna do because they're kind of buried underneath this, but they're producing. And as you can see, we've got a lot of green tomatoes coming up. So check those guys out. Thing of beauty. Now, I went through and blasted this with the weed whacker because I wanted to show off these guys. These are my sunchokes. These guys are Jerusalem artichokes that I got. And the little patch in here with strawberries. My crazy yellow plant. And then we've got a whole batch of potatoes. We've got them in bags and in boxes. And then these little slugs, I make them fly. Anyway, so far it's looking pretty successful, even for the stuff that I don't really eat, like the spinach. Actually, that's just lettuce. I think my wife cut most of it. It went to seed before I had a chance to really eat it. But the kale turned out really well. Anyway, that's all I've got. And I'm starting to get bit up, so it's time to go in. Have a good one all.